Go. Hey Sam, what's up?
This is hot.
Huh? Really?
Hot. Really hot. I feel like burning fire. What's
So
that
I have-
sound?
Okay, I
Wait,
have something.
Whoa!
What?
A fan!
Yes, we bought a fan.
Wait, this is together?
So what are the things are there? This is I think a stand.
I don't really know because...
Yeah, this is looks like a stand.
Should I put it together? Because I think it goes like this.
Yeah, and the name of the brand is it's a Sencor pedestral fan SPN 4031BK. This is the model, and we are having this and this and this. So we are going to fit it, assemble it. Yeah. So I'll let you know how I'm going to do it. Okay.
This thing goes like... Nope.
Yeah, so I will do it. This is the motor, so we are going to step by step plug it and let you know.
I
Okay?
just figured out this.
Yeah.
Hey, so yeah guys, I'm back again.
So the first step is to just put it,
Yes.
and the second step is to
Just
open all the screws, and third step is to put it like this, and then we are going to
Screw it up.
screw it up tightly to the
Like
stand.
this, I
Okay?
It's
Go.
Hey guys, we're back and the fan is finally assembled.
Whoa! It took some effort. Actually, the few things I want to tell you first. Wait a minute.
This is buttons how fast.
This you need to back it little bit. Open it, the screw, and then
if you want to
then
like,
put it
up.
and then the things are very easy. You need to do first this.
After that,
There is a one.
A little some type of disc or something.
Yeah, you can open it and it can plug. Then you can put this fan handles.
Yeah, but now
And
can
then
we
finally
show,
it can be
but now
figured
can
it out.
We show,
Yeah, now you can sew. So see, we have configured our fan
this is the
successfully,
first
set up it,
one. This is
and this is first.
because first, second, third it is.
Yeah,
So this is first.
yeah, and Sam is really happy.
Come here.
Yeah.
Come here, camera. Come close.
Mhm.
More, and here,
Yeah.
and up,
Yeah.
up. This is how fast,
Hmm.
and you might feel the wind.
Mhm.
And next two.
Yeah. I think you
Let me
press
see.
0.
Oops. Now it works.
Yeah, it's 2 now.
This is even faster. Come
Yeah.
closer again.
Yeah, it's very fast. We can hear the sound. And now,
But we can't even see it.
yeah, can you put 3 now?
Yep, this is gonna be the fastest.
Yes. I think you off it. Can you please put it again? The third one.
Oh, I
Top one.
see.
Yes.
That's 3. That's
And
that's
it's having 2 modes. You can still it by opening this. It will be still on one position,
But
and if you put
want
it down,
that, then
it can move. Also, this is having the feature to move the neck here. It can move, like if you make it down, it can move. It's having a lot of features, you guys, and I really like the fan. It's a basic stand fan, and it's a very good
if
for
you want
summer.
to get it, it's from
You can get it from dataart. I bought it into
dataart.
dataart. Yeah,
I know
dataart.
Czech, that's why I'm speaking.
Okay, so I bought it in 800 Czech crown. It's really worth for the money. So it's time to say thanks. Bye bye.
Thanks, bye-bye, and subscribe to this channel and like this channel, or else spider will come in your brain.
Thank you.